Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to embroider eyes on your crochet amigurumi. This method is great for adding personality and character to your creations. So, grab your thread and needle and let's get started. I prefer safety eyes. However, embroidering eyes is a safer option for toys meant for babies, small children, and pets because it avoids any choking hazards while still adding charm. To start, choose a spot for your amigurumi's eyes. Your pattern usually tells you where to put them. Mark the spot where you want the eyes to be with a pin. It will make it's simpler to arrange them correctly. Cut a piece of embroidery thread or yarn. About half an arm length is usually enough. Thread it through your embroidery needle, starting from the back of the intended eye position. Insert the needle and bring it out where the first eye is marked. Leave a small tail at the back, which you will weave in later. Reinsert the needle into the head at the intended eye's top position to create the first eye. To get a clean line, gently yet firmly pull the thread. To increase the thickness of the eye, you can repeat this technique several times. Continue to the second chosen location and follow the same steps as well. Insert the needle from the bottom of the eye, pull it through, and then bring it up to make the top part. For a symmetrical project, make sure the second eye has got the same shape and thickness of the first. Once you finish both eyes, weave the ends into the back of the head. And cut any remaining thread. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.